Hi y'all, this is So Blessed. Welcome to the Blessed Place. How y'all doing? It is Friday and I just got off work and I'm about to head to pick up my husband from work so we can hit I-75 North and head home for the weekend. And I'm gonna try my best to vlog the entire weekend and then post this probably on Sunday night or Monday. All right, y'all be blessed. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, true to my promise to try and vlog this weekend, we made it home after about 7.5 hours or so. It's 11:49, and first thing I did was come to my laundry room. Y'all know I love laundry. My husband said I'm addicted. So first thing I did was come throw my blanket in the washing machine and now in the dryer. And then my husband colored my hair, and of course this is what you wear when you don't have, when your shower caps are in Florida and you're not in Georgia. Sometimes I don't know if I'm coming or going. So my husband colored my hair, and now I'm gonna leave this on, or he applied the color, and now I'm gonna leave this on about an hour and a half, so that I can go get a haircut tomorrow, and I'll take you all along. But yeah, Walmart bag, my shower cap. Now you know I love y'all. Let y'all see me in my Madea dress and a Walmart bag on my head. Nothing but love. 2 a.m. Good night. Okay, hubby colored my hair, and now I'm gonna go get it cut down. Okay, just got finished getting my hair cut down low like I like it. But I think I'm gonna have my husband do one more application, because y'all see that orange right there? I don't know, that's, I wanted a little bit more blonde. It's a little too much orange in it. A little orange undertone or red undertone. So I'm gonna have him color my hair one more time tonight, and I'll leave it on for about an hour. Let that be it. So showing y'all what it looks like now with the orange undertones and stuff, and then I'll show y'all what it looks like after he colored again later. But taking you along my Okay, y'all, it's Saturday evening, about 6:45, and I'm still attempting to vlog, but I forget. I'm not a good vlogger. I forget. I can turn on the camera and talk, but to remember the vlog all weekend, I can't remember. But I think I'm getting you some good footage. So we came home from my husband and I being out and about, showered, especially, you know, I got my hair washed, so I got my hair cut, so hair was everywhere. And then hubby took a little nap. He's still napping. I've been washing clothes in between. Got all kinds of piles. So got piles out there. So got all kinds of piles. I washed a few loads, and now I'm about to go. Me and my daughter about to go get a pedicure. So I'll be back. Okay, my daughter and I were supposed to go get a pedicure, but the pedicure place was closed. So somehow we ended up shopping. So we're in Ross. Then we're gonna go over to Bath and Body Works. And I'm sweating, y'all. In the dead of this winter, I had on 2 wraps. I had to put it all in that basket right there. I had to take off from 2 wraps that I had on. And yeah, I'm hot and I'm tired. But anyways, me and my daughter here. And Derek, I'm trying to vlog all weekend, but I can never remember to turn the camera on. Okay, see y'all again. Okay, you guys, me and Derek just left Ross, and at the end of this video, I'll show you a few things that I bought. And now we're at Panda Express. I don't want anything. I'm still full from the Italian food I ate earlier. But Derek wanted Panda Express. And then my husband called and said, hey, while you're out, get some Epsom salt. So now I got to go to Walmart to get some Epsom salt because he uses it to soak his feet. Alrighty. Catch up with y'all later. Oh, yeah, by the way, it's 10:30 p.m. and my daughter and I just getting in. So now I'm This a few things we bought from Walmart. Just a little snacks to take, which is some chips, some bread, some Good Debbie things, peanut butter, just some little things to take back to Florida with us. And I think that's it. Give y'all a little roundabout, front door, the living room area, the kitchen, bathroom back that way. And y'all know the kitchen, that's where I do my best work, out in the kitchen. And then upstairs here, that's where I do my second best work. No, I'm just kidding. I'm talking about laundry. Okay, just a quick little haul of what I got. Little jumpsuit there. Like a little sweatsuit, jumpsuit. Another little jumpsuit. I don't know, can you even see it? Okay. Little zipper in the front. Cute little shirt for work. Feels so soft and luxurious. And all of these are from Ross. And you'll see them better when I actually wear them and post them as an outfit of the day. Don't forget to follow Unpretentious Plus. And I got some Bath and Body Works. Brand new scent. I've always used Japanese cherry blossom for the last probably 10 years or so. Yep, creature of habit. But tonight, young man introduced me to this. Smelled good on the paper. I don't know how it's going to smell on me, but we'll see. Hibiscus Paradise. And then it was the buy 3, get 2 free. So I'm trying out gingham and a little perfume shower gel. So we'll see how that works for my, for my scent. But I'm excited to try it. So that's my little haul from today. See y'all in the next clip. Okay, you guys, it's 5 a.m. Sunday morning, and I'm still doing laundry. I got some more to dry right there, and so I'm in the dryer right now. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed while those are in the dryer, and I'll probably set my clock to wake up in an hour to switch everything over. But I gotta cook breakfast in the morning, so yeah. That will be televised. All right. Good night, you guys. A little cap here. All right. Bye. Good Sunday morning, you good people. So last time I talked to y'all, I said I was gonna cook this morning, but nope. I didn't go to bed till probably 5 or 6 o'clock this morning. My husband was like, "Baby, you don't have to cook. Let's hit the road." I knew that was music to my ears. So we're about to go. I'm leaving my baby back there. But I'm going with my baby on the road. So I'll vlog up until we get back to Florida, and then edit this all together. And hopefully you enjoyed my weekend. Oh, I think my face kind of ashy because I didn't put no lotion on. Anyway, I'm going to miss my house. But I'm going back to Florida, and I'll be back again in a couple of weeks. Y'all see that bookcase back there? When I come back in a couple of weeks, I'm going to do a bookcase tour. You'd be surprised what's on my bookshelf. All right, you guys. Talk to y'all in just a little bit. Let me hit the road. Y'all be blessed. Oh, yeah, we just had prayer. We always have prayer before we hit the road. Bye, y'all. Okay, I've driven about 2 hours, I think. 2.5 hours, and I'm sleepy. I was sleepy. So now hubby getting ready to take over, and we're in Zaxby's, so I'm going to eat me some Zaxby's. And then maybe take a little nap. All right, you guys. Just checking in. Hey, y'all. So we've made it back to our hometown of Sanford. We're at the gas station. And I probably got a little slob or something on my mouth because I've been asleep for about the last, I've been asleep probably the last 3 hours or so. But I thank God for traveling mercies, and we made it back. And I don't know, this might be the last of the vlog, or I might vlog a little once we actually get home. Just to say bye, y'all, and good night. But hope you've enjoyed this vlog and my weekend. And I'm sure I'll probably miss some stuff this weekend because I'm horrible at vlogging. I can never remember to turn on the camera. But I try my best to remember and to share with you all my weekend. And if you want to see more actual vlogs of my week, my weekend, you know, whatever, just be sure to click that like or thumbs up. I can never remember which social media you do what, but you know, let me know if you enjoyed this and if you want more. All right, love y'all. Y'all be blessed. If I don't see you again, but if I can remember the vlog a little bit later, I will. Bye-bye. Three big white dogs. No, they ain't gotta bring them over here. I'll look at them from afar. I'll admire them from afar. I don't know what kind of those. I'm gonna have to Google them. I'm gonna have to Google what kind of big white dogs. Okay, you guys, we made it to my mom's a few hours ago, and we came in and ate, changed the linen on our bed, put away laundry, to shower. Husband went to bed, and now I'm gonna woosah, play a little Spider Solitaire and watch some CNN and some Netflix and chill. My little niece over there. Oh, both my niece, my little niece and my big niece, and little baby. But anyways, you guys, thank God for traveling mercies. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. And if you like more, don't forget to like, thumbs up, whatever it is. Let me know that you enjoyed it. All right, see y'all later. Y'all be blessed.